Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Adushal. So today we will discuss about all of the currencies and all of the stocks and gold and BTC also, right? So I will explain about Bitcoin, how its behavior. Simple guys, when you are confused, you can't understand the markets, so you have to use the bigger time frame, just like 1 day time frame, 1 hour time frame in BTC and gold also. This is exactly what BTC right now is working in this 60,400 level, right? So what we need to see, this is the bigger support level here. Still not break. That's on level yesterday. It's totally this little bit fake breakout downside, but it's fine. Completely, I posted in Twitter. You can go there, check it out. All our signals free for everyone, right? You can see this is the completely bigger SL hunting here. Before I posted in Twitter this one pictures, and you can see this the level continuously it's just falling here, and then if you use this 5 minutes 15-minute time frame for a 1 day trade, 2 day trade, two days, 3 days, right? So what we have to use 1 hour time frame, so you can see the perfect level, perfect resistance level, perfect trend line, and perfect what it's going on in the market. You can see the clear pictures about the market, right? This is the bigger level. Respect this one line here. This is a 60 to 200. That's respect. And what we need to see, completely bigger resistance level. We have 63 level. This is the biggest resistance level. If reach 63 level, we have to close on time our trade. And if it's breakout 63 level, we can see the next level 66 200. This is the BTC. And if it's breakout 59 500, again 59 500, yeah, 700, so we can see downside 56 400 level. Simple. What we need to focus, this one level. If it's still upside 59 500, if it's still upside working market, we can see the market upside. If it's breakout 59 500 600, so we can see the downside movement is 56 400, and other one target 53,000. So this is our other one target downside exactly, and this one. So sorry. So this is the biggest support and resistance level. I hope you understand here. Let's go with the Ethereum. What's going on in Ethereum? Well, we check here. It's simple. Completely SL hunting. Yeah. This is SL hunting. You can see. This is the bullish pattern here. You can see the proper bullish pattern. And yesterday reversed this one, and that's okay. We just focus our trade. This is 1 day time frame. When you trade in crypto, I hope you have to use 1 day time frame and 1 hour time frame. You can close your trade a little bit late because you can take some more time, and like 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hours, whatever, right? So this is our target. You can keep your positions open. If you want to scalp, you can use 15 5 minutes, and then you can scalp whatever, one candle, two candle, three candles, right? It's all about you. But if you see any pictures, bigger pictures, you can use 1 day time frame and 1 hour time frame. That's best options for everyone, right? So this is a simple picture here also in Ethereum. Continuously we can see the 38 level. If still not break, that's 33 level. If it's breakout 33 level, 3365 level, downside we can see this here 30 level. This is the 30 level is downside here. Okay, so if it's break again this one level downside, but our SL will be the here. Always when you keep your SLs, you have to keep your SL a little bit far from the support level, right? So this is the actually, so we have to the focus support and resistance level and trend line, because sometimes it's working here trend line, sometime when you need to capture the fake breakout, we have to wait the bigger level, right? So this is actually here. So I hope you understand what I'm trying to say here. This is exactly I'm talking about BTC Ethereum. Understand BTC Ethereum, what's happening in this next week, tomorrow, and we have to wait for our long positions. You keep your long positions, right? I hope I will make for other videos about dollar, BTC, gold for next week. What happened? It's a prediction. Every just we focus only the Ethereum and BTC. Thank you so much, guys. If you like our videos, subscribe and like and share also. Thank you so much.